Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today I'm going to be sharing my top picks for handbags under $150. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So yes, I've done a couple of these videos in the past where it's been like the best bags under a certain price range. So I thought that I would go super low on the price range, or as low as I could, to still find, good quality bags. And I found some pretty good options for under $150. So I thought that I would share those with you today because I know a lot of people are trying to find some cheaper alternatives and trying to save money, which I totally understand. I am too myself. So I thought that I would share the bags that I found with you today. I do have two of these bags in my possession that I'm going to be talking about today, and then the other ones I will be showing you from the internet. So I do have 5 handbags I want to share with you guys today, and I'll start with my first pick. Now these are going to be going in no particular order today, but I did want to start off with my beautiful Longchamp Le Pliage little cosmetics pouch. Now this is not technically considered a handbag. It's not meant to be a handbag, but a lot of people, including myself, have DIY'd this bag to turn it into a handbag. This is like the perfect size for like a small little mini bag, but it does still fit a lot of stuff, and it's like the perfect size for the summertime. It's the cutest thing I've ever seen. This is in the color paper, and it's in this kind of nylon-y material. They have loads of other colors in this style, the Le Pliage cosmetics pouch, and this comes in at $80, $85, and I think with taxes and everything it reached right around 90 bucks for this bag. Now when you first get it, it does not come with these little rivets on the side. It is just one piece of leather, and then I found a little rivet, am I saying that right? Rivet, a kit on Amazon that helped you punch these little holes into the side. I'll link everything down below for you in case you wanted to do that yourself. But yeah, for $90, this is a fantastic little bag. It does have these pieces of leather all throughout, and then it has a gold little button closure, and then it also has a really nice zipper closure. This Longchamp pull tassel or pull medallion, like pull tab, is so pretty. I love the logo in the middle there. And then you can get your own crossbody strap. I got one from Amazon, but you can get one from like AliExpress. But then here is the inside. It's just one open pocket, but it still does fit quite a lot of stuff. I have an iPhone 14 Pro Max, and this does fit in the bag. No problem. So if you have a bigger phone like I do, don't worry because it will fit. And of course I have an unboxing on this bag, and like I show what all fits in the bag, so I will link that down below as well if you haven't seen that. Here is the strap, and you just attach it like this to the little holes, the little rivets on the side there. And this one is not a perfect match for this bag, but it's pretty close, and I feel like it's close enough to where if you did wear this crossbody, no one would be able to tell just like walking by you that it doesn't match. This one is a kind of belt shaped crossbody strap. Let's say you got this bag but you don't want to punch in those rivet holes. They do have other options I've seen on AliExpress. Probably you can get them on Amazon. Basically, instead of punching holes in your handbag, which will undeniably void the warranty, so if you do what I've done, just know that it will void the warranty. So if you don't want to do that, you can go this other route. They're finding these little loops that you put on the back of this little top handle, and you can wear a crossbody like that. But this is going to be my first pick for the best bags under $150. Love her. The next bag that I have on this list that I do have in my possession right now is going to be the Lululemon belt bag. I feel like every single person and their mom has this bag for a good reason. It is a very, very fantastic handbag. It is, well, not really a handbag. It is more of like a belt bag situation, like a bum bag or a fanny pack, whatever you choose to call it. But here is what she looks like. I am sure that you have seen this bag around. It is very, very popular, but it has a buckle right here, and you can of course adjust it. I found this one in the gold, which I absolutely love. I could not find a gold one to save my life at the store, but I found it on the app, like on the Lululemon app finally. And then it does have one big zipper pocket on the front, and here is what it looks like on the inside. You do have one kind of mesh pocket right here, and then you have two smaller pockets on the other side like that. And this does retail for $38. So this could even be bags under $50. Like, this is not very expensive at all. And then it also has this zipper on the back as well. I like putting my phone into that back zipper pocket because it does fit no problem. It doesn't have any kind of leather or anything on it, so it will be your more durable option. This one right here, I believe if you got it out in the rain, it would be totally fine. I don't know how the leather would react though to being out in the rain. I've never gotten this wet. So if you wanted to be super safe, then I would not recommend getting this out when it's raining. I think it'd be fine, but I still don't know. If you want to be 100% sure, then I would go with this one, because this one is like full nylon material, so literally nothing's gonna happen to it if it gets wet. It's a very casual bag, like it's not gonna be formal or for work or anything. This one right here, I could see being worn casually. I could see this being worn to work if you don't carry much with you. I don't think that this could be worn very formally, but who knows? This one's definitely going to be your more casual handbag. It's going to be like if you're just running errands, if you're going to the gym, if you're going to, you know, just pop around town, something like that. This would be a fantastic one. Now on to the handbags that I do not currently have in my possession at the moment, but I will be putting up screen recordings for you to see. Number 3, we do have pretty much any bag from Kate Spade. Kate Spade is a fantastic brand, and I don't have anything personally from Kate Spade, but I do want to add a couple things from them. But looking through this screen recording that I have, you have so many options that are around $70, $80, barely even reaching the $100 price range. You have this like Layla mini crossbody bag, the Sadie envelope crossbody bag. You have that in loads of colors. And then you have this Audrey mini bucket bag as well, and that is normally $328, but it's down to $89, which is insane. If you like a bucket bag, I'm not super into bucket bags. I used to be. I don't know what happened to me. Like, I don't know, my style just changed. But when I was in high school and like as a young adult, I really loved bucket bags. But now that I'm almost 30, for some reason, I don't love bucket bags anymore. I don't know why, but it still is a fantastic handbag. And then you have all these other handbags as well. This Christie chain flap crossbody bag. And then you have some tote bags as well. There's so many options when it comes to Kate Spade. I know they have a lot of sales, like maybe Nordstrom carries Kate Spade and they have a lot of sales going on. The Nordstrom event, the sale is going to be happening within the next couple of weeks, so I would definitely take a look there. But also just take a look at the Kate Spade website or Amazon, and this is directly from the Kate Spade website. It's called Kate Spade Surprise. So I don't know if that is like similar to Coach Outlet or Nordstrom Rack. Like, I'm not sure if that's like the sale part of Kate Spade. Number 4 on this list is going to be Michael Kors. I really like Michael Kors. I have a pair of Michael Kors boots that I got in Italy the very first time that I ever went, and they are doing a lot of sales right now. So I will be talking about the sale items. These bags are not normally priced at $150, but they are well under $150 right now during this sale. So I will have this entire website linked so you can shop if you want to. I'm not affiliated with them or anything like that. I just want you guys to save money. This is beautiful. It's like this kind of powder blue, and they have a white and gold one, and it's the Amelia small logo, like satchel, and it is really beautiful. It used to be like $400 and now it's down to $99. This Jet Set Saffiano leather crossbody bag, and it has a Apple AirPods Pro case and like a little coin purse. This is the cutest thing. I love the fact that it comes with an AirPods case. This is the cutest thing. I love this. Now, this is not under 150. It is 159. I will go ahead and just keep it in this video because it still is pretty inexpensive compared to other handbags. No, it's technically over $150, but it's not by a lot. And then we have tote bags. It's the Bedford medium tote bag. This is really nice. It used to be $200, now it's $99. Right here is the Jet Set large Saffiano leather shoulder bag. It looks pretty big, so it could also probably be a tote bag. And then you have, oh, these, oh my God, I wanted to talk about these specifically. These are the Jet Set large logo crossbody bag. I love this bag. This is so cute. I would totally add this bag to my personal collection, and I'm thinking I might do that. This one used to be $400, and now it looks like it's down to $79, which is insane. Here is the inside. It looks really spacious, and then the back, nothing on the back, but it does have that cute little chain on the front, and then it does have a zipper compartment in the front as well. And then I was going down to show that it also comes in the white with pink kind of accent, and then the details. It looks like it is gold toned hardware, 9.5 inches wide, 6.5 inches in height, and 2 inches in depth. It's a logo print canvas on the front. This one is probably one of my favorite ones, along with the one that I spoke about that has the AirPods Max case and the little coin purse. That one's also adorable, but this one's my second favorite. And then the last bag I want to talk to you about today is going to be from Coach. Now this is the Mini Claire crossbody bag. This is from the Coach outlet, and it comes in 2 colors. It comes in this beautiful taupe with the gold hardware, and it also comes in black with gold hardware. This is a retail value of $328, but it's on sale for $149. I love this. This bag is really, really pretty to me. I love the style that it has. It kind of looks like an envelope, like a really big envelope. I like this a lot. It looks very, very spacious on the inside as well. It's got a few compartments. Here you can wear this crossbody. It looks like you can also wear it as a shoulder bag as well if you wanted to do that. Yeah, you can wear it both ways, and the silhouette just looks so cute. And let me look at the details. It's 7 inches in length, 5 1/4 inches in height, 2 inches in width, and it is a cross grain leather, so it is still a leather handbag. It's got zip pockets, snap closure, fabric lining, and it has a 22-inch strap drop, or like handle drop. Beautiful, beautiful handbag. And again, the outlets, Coach outlet, Nordstrom Rack, Marc Jacobs outlet, I don't know, but all of these places are just fantastic to find handbags that are going to be less expensive. And this bag has really good reviews as well. So yeah, I love this cute little Coach handbag. I'm super into that. But yeah, you guys, that bag is fantastic as well. And that has been my top 5 bags under $150 that I wanted to share with you guys today. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this video. Let me know what your favorite handbag that I showed was today under $150. Let me know if you have anything in your collection that would fall under this category, and like what your favorite handbags are that are under $150, or just leave me a comment down below telling me anything, because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you again for watching this video. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me, and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!